So
Hi,
she
Ro.
still hasn't decided what to do with the coffee table. Huh?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, now look.
Oh, look at that. That's just beautiful. A work of art, Rojo. Pepe.
Oh.
Slimy.
Usually hers ain't too bad, but it's a little wet today. Oh, for crying out loud.
What are you doing? You're just climbing everywhere, aren't you? Exploring the world of our house. Okay, back up. Look at the little guys. Here's Pepe, and here's Pico. Pepe? No, Pedro. Pico. And here's Rojo. What you doing?
Whoa, look at you.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh.
I don't think these weights are.
Oh. Rojo. What are you doing?
Are you running from that camera, girl?
Okay, now she's just facing